Hello everyone, welcome to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can play Among Us. I will be guiding you through the beginner's guide in how you can play the Among Us game. Now to begin with, first of all, open the application. Here you can see I've already opened my app in here. You are at the home page of Among Us right now. There's the option local. Here you can host a game and play the games with your friends via your Wi-Fi. If you go back, there's online. In online, there are three types of game that you can host. That is the first one, host. You can create a game and ask your friend to come join the game by providing a entry code. Then there's public. You can join in any game that has been currently ongoing in public. Then there's private. Only few chosen one can play the game together with you by entering the code. Now we're gonna go and play the game. I'm gonna show you the free play just for tutorial for how you can play. I've started the game now. There are two teams in Among Us, the human crewmates and the alien imposter. The human job is to complete all the tasks around the map. You can see here on the top left corner the tasks. Total tasks completed. You need to complete all the tasks that has been assigned to you in this box. And the alien job is to kill enough humans to stop that from happening. An important note, if you are killed, you still have to complete your tasks. Can be located by using the map on the top right corner of your screen over here, the map icon. All humans need to complete their tasks for you to win the game. The other method for victory of human is to kill the imposter. Humans can only kill by ejecting suspected imposter out of game during a discussion. The discussion occurs whenever a body is reported or the emergency meeting button is hastily pressed. There you can see the emergency. Tap on emergency. A emergency meeting will be called in here, and you can discuss and accuse those deemed guilty most likely to win the game. Now I'm going to show you how you can complete the tasks. There's the first one is office swipe card. Now you need to go to the office section. You can use the map to locate the area. Now here I'm gonna swipe the card and one of the tasks will be completed. You slide the card and you can see the task has been completed on the very top. And just like that, you need to complete all the tasks that you provided and then you will win the game. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification. Thank you.